Okay, the next step is once you have created a background, we want to find a picture. So you can use the insert tool and image. A few things you can do with this is for fun, use the camera tool, and this will take a picture of you with your Chromebook camera. So I could use this if I wanted to, and I could click the yellow button. There's my face. I could take another one, um, as many as you want until you find the one you want to work with. And then you make sure it's selected with the blue outline. And I would say insert. Okay. I wanted to show you that feature, but we're not going to use that today. Go ahead and give that a try, but then click on it and delete it. What I do want to do though for this assignment is go back to insert image and I want to search the web. So that creates a search on the right-hand side where I can search for pretty much anything. Let's go with a cupcake today. I want you to find a photo of a cupcake. And you can search and find one. Now, this is something that it might look like in the end. We don't want to use something that looks like a computer graphic. We want to photograph because we want to create our own drawing. I will go with this one. If you click it, say okay, there we have it. There is my cupcake. Now, two things you need to do or can do is you can right click and copy and paste, or you can simply select and Control C, Control V. That gives you a copy of the cupcake. Let's drag our image off to the left. We want it completely off of the canvas, but we also want to keep it the same size. And you can scroll on over so you can see both and work with both. Now, eventually this photo will be deleted and this one is used as a reference to build our shapes. So the first thing I would like to do here is go to my tools, and you can use a curve tool if you have a more curvy shape, or the polyline. Polyline is going to have more jagged edges and more geometric shapes, and the curve tool will just have a more organic shape with more curved edges. I will use the curve tool. You click down where you want to start, and then you drag and click all the way around the entire shape. Now, if you click too close to your previous point, it will create a line like this. That's no good. So I'm going to press Escape to select it, or I could click my arrow up here and then just delete. So I will go back here using the curve tool. Sometimes it doesn't like when I click on it and I just have to reselect curve. I'm going to trace around the entire shape. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want to get a general idea of the shape of that cupcake. Okay, so click and drag all the way around. And I like to keep this image on the right here for reference, but when I'm clicking, it's really important that I drag the cursor over where I started to create an enclosed shape. So make sure, and you can kind of tell when it connects. And I click. Now I have a shape. From there, I can press the Escape button to select it, or again, use my mouse to click the arrow. And I want to drag this over and line it up.